Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon. Go to system. Go to about. Select system update. Now it's checking for update. Okay, done. It says that there is an update. So size of the update is 731 MB. So let me check what is in this update. This software update includes Android security patch level has been updated, other bug fixes and performance improvements. So first we have to check what is in this update. We have to carefully read it. If we are okay with all these changes, we can go ahead and select restart now button. Then it will download and install this software update into TV. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install it. So please check it.